Isa ka rin ba sa nakakaranas ng burnout while doing your daily routine or chasing your dreams for the future? Here are the tips kung paano ka makakatagal sa journey ng buhay mo. Number 1, once you have the right goal, don't be afraid to try. To write a great book, you must first become the book. Number 2 is enjoy the process. Never ever think about skipping the process, kaya nga siya tinawag na proseso, cause it will take so much time para ma-achieve mo ang mga bagay na gusto mo. And syempre, don't forget to analyze and adjust your result no matter what. Diba? Check mo palagi yung mga bagay na nawiwin mo. Every time na may ma-achieve ka, from small to big accomplishment. Pero kung consistent ka, mapapansin niya ng iba. At sila mismo ang makaka-appreciate ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Great things have small beginnings. Yun lang guys, this is day 19 of Project 50. See you guys tomorrow.